Hello students, good morning to one and all. Up to now we will see the concepts of basic logic gates and the properties of XOR gates, and next we will see the alternate gate representation and properties for alternate gate representation. Now we will see the NAND gate and the NOR gates can be used as in universal gates. How this NAND gate and NOR gate can be used as in universal gates. That's concepts we can see in this lecture deliberately. Let's start the session.
Universal gates. NAND gate and NOR gate can be used as an universal gates. By using this NAND gate as well as the NOR gate, we can implement any logic gate. That means if you want to implement a NOT function, you can implement by using this NAND gate. If you want to implement a AND function, by using this NAND gate we can easily implement. If you want to implement the OR function, we can easily implement by using this NAND gate. As well as if you want to implement the NOR function, by using this NAND gate we can easily implement. Similarly, for this NOR gate also, for this NOR gate case also, for this NOR gate case, if you want to implement the NOT function, we can easily implement by using this NOR gate. As well as AND, OR and NAND gate. Let's see the by using the NAND gate we can implement the different type of functions. Let's see, first we can implement the NOT function. NOT function means NOT function. This will be said to be inverter. We already know the symbol of the inverter. This will be the X input, this will be the output Y. If you give the input 0, you will get the output 1. If you give the input 1, you will get the output 0. If you want to implement this NOT function in terms of the NAND gate, we have to follow one simple rule. That means this will be the basic NAND gate, this will be the input A, this will be the input B, this will be the output Y. If you take this will be the one wire, this will be the another wire, you want to tie up both these wires into a single wire. This said to be the input X, this will be the output Y, right? So Y is equal to generally A dot B bar is said to be the NAND gate. In case of input A, we can be represented as a single wire by taking an input as X. In case of input B, we can represented by wire in terms of input X. That means X dot X bar. We know that by using the De Morgan's theorem, A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. That means X bar dot X bar is equal to X bar plus X bar. By using the property A plus A is equal to A. Here in place of A we have then bar. A bar plus A bar is equal to A bar. Here in case of A we will be replaced by X. That means X bar plus X bar is equal to X bar. Let's see the input. Let's see the truth table for the NAND gate. Truth table for NAND gate. If you take the input A, input B, A, B bar. For two input combination, you will get the four output combinations. It will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 0 1 1. 0 into 0 0, bar will be there, that means 1. 0 into 1 0, bar will be there, that means 0. Sorry, that means 1. 1 into 0 0, bar will be there, that means 1. 1 into 1 1, bar will be there, that means 0. Here you can observe, if you take the both the inputs as in same 0 0, if I take A input as 0, B input as 0, we will get the output as 1. If you take x is equal to 0, you will get the output y is equal to 1. Similarly, if you take the input x is equal to 1, you will get the output y is equal to 0. If you take the input x is equal to 1, you will get the output y is equal to 0. In this way, we will satisfy the inverter operation. Next, we will see the AND gate. AND gate or AND function. The Boolean expression for the AND function will be A into B. Let's see small hardware structure for this. If you take the input A, input B, here you will get the, this will be the NAND gate, you will get the A into B bar. Here we can connect the inverter, that means A B bar whole bar. This both complements will get cancelled to each other, then we will get the A into B. We already said that this inverter can be replaced by this hardware structure, right? Hence we can replace it by, this will be the input A, input B, this will be the NAND gate, you will get the A B bar. We can replace this inverter by NAND gate inverter hardware structure, right, in terms of NAND gate. This will be the y is equal to A B bar whole bar, that is equal to A into B. Let's see the truth table for AND gate. AND gate truth table. If you take the input A, input B, output y is equal to A into B, right? For input, 2 input combination, you will get the 4 output combinations. There will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Let's see our hardware truth table. That will be the input A, input B, A B bar, this will be the A B double bar, right? Here you can observe, for 2 input combination you will get the 4 output combinations. That will be the 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 into 0 0, bar will be there, you will get the 1. 0 into 1 0, bar will be there, you will get the output as 1. 1 into 0, 0 bar will be there, you will get the output as 1. 1 into 1, 1 bar will be there, you will get the output as 0. And next we can do another complement, right? This will be the single complement, this will be the dual complement. One complement means 0, one complement means 0, one complement means 0, 0 complement means 1. Here you can observe this output for the AND gate truth table y is equal to a into b is same as y is equal to ab double bar, universal gates. Next we can see the OR function. OR function y is equal to a plus b. Here see the some hardware structure for this. If you give the input a, if you apply the inverter you will get the a bar. If you take the input b, if you apply to the inverter you will get the b bar. Both these outputs as applied as input for the NAND gate, you will get the AB bar whole bar. This is also can be represented as, this will be the input A, input B. If you take the NAND gate, this will here, this will become the A bar whole bar, this will be the B bar whole bar. That means y is equal to A bar dot B bar whole bar. This is also can be represented as, now we can replace this inverter by the NAND gate and this inverter by the NAND gate. Input A, you will get the output A bar, this will be the input B, you will get the output B bar. Here this will become y is equal to A bar dot B bar whole bar. Now we can apply this De Morgan's theorem here. A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. That means A double bar plus B double bar. These both two complements will get cancelled to each other. You will get the y is equal to A plus B. Now see the truth table for OR gate. Truth table for OR gate. OR gate truth table. If you take the input A, input B, you will get the output A plus B. For 2 input combination, you will get the 4 output combination: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Let's see the truth table for our hardware structure. This will be approximately equal to input A, input B, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar whole bar. For 2 input combination, you will get the 4 output combination: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Here you can observe 0 bar, A bar, right? 0 bar means 1, B bar, B bar means here 0 will be there, 0 bar means 1. 1 into 1, you will get the 1. Here 0 will become the 1, 1 will become the 0. That means 1 into 0, that will become 0. Here a will be the 1, we want a bar. That means 1 will become the 0, 0 will become the 1. Here we will get the 0 into 1, we will get the 0. Here 0 into 0, we will get the 0. Right? Here we can apply another time complement. Here 0 can be represent, 0 can be converted to 1 can be converted to 0, 0 can be converted to 1, 0 can be converted to 1. Here 0 can be converted to 1. In this way we can implement the OR function in terms of NAND gate. Now we can see the NOR function. Now we can see the NOR function. Y is equal to a plus b bar. Y is equal to a plus b bar. Here you can observe hardware structure for this NOR function. If you want to apply the input A, you will get the output A bar. If you want to implement the input B, you will get the B bar. This will be given to the NAND gate. A bar dot B bar whole bar. Again we will give to the inverter. You will get the Y is equal to A bar dot B bar whole bar double bar. Right? This can be also written as in terms of this inverter can be replaced by NAND gate. Input A will get the output A bar. Input B will get the output B bar. Apply to the NAND gate. A bar dot B bar whole bar, and again applied to the inverter. Inverter can be replaced by the NAND gate. You will get the A bar dot B bar whole bar double bar. If you want to apply the A bar dot B bar by using the De Morgan's theorem, you will get the A bar plus B bar. That means double complement will be cancelled to each other. We will get A plus B bar. Let's see the truth table for this NOR function. Input A, input B, Y is equal to A plus B bar. Zero zero 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 plus 0 0 bar will be there, you will get the 1. 0 plus 1 1 bar will be there, you will get the 0. 1 plus 0 1 bar will be there, you will get the 0. 1 plus 1 1 the bar will be there, you will get the 0. Let's see the truth table for our hardware structure. You will get the A, B, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar whole bar, A bar dot B bar double bar. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Here you will get the 1 dot 1 1 into 1, you will get the 1. 0 will be become the 1, 1 will become the 0. 1 dot 0, you will get the 0. 0 dot 1, you will get the 0. 0 dot 0, you will get the 0. Again we can complement it, right? 1 will become the 0. 0 will become the 1. 0 will become the 1. 0 will become the 1. Again we can complement. 0 will become the 1. 1 will become the 0. 1 will become the 0. 1 will become the 0. Here we can observe this both outputs we will get the same, right? Hence by using this OR gate also we can implement the NAND gate. Hence in this way we can use it, or we can tell this NAND gate as an universal gates. Now in the next lecture we can see the how NOR gate will be used as an universal gate. Thank you.